Guy at the bottom of the food chain came out on top. Cannonball!
Thank you. I call that one the peanut buster. Patent pending.
Excellent! A very tight job!
And a high degree of difficulty.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta get back to slacking off. Hey, Bruce, remember to pace yourself. Playing with your food. Nice. Oh, slow down. Someone's gonna get hurt. Precious. Oh, that's disgusting. We talked about this. No lick-licks.
Sorry, boss. It's hard to respect a person whose face when it tastes like peanut butter.
The peanut butter machine, right there.
No way! Peanut butter!
Come on, Daddy needs a new pair of shoes.
One peanut colada coming right up.
Keep them coming, Warnie.
No fair! Mine didn't pop.
This is the life, buddy. Huh? Kicking back, literally doing nothing. Remember when we had to work for these things?